Hey, this is Nick Logan with Logan Machine, going over to Chuck Kidwell's house to deliver the toolbox. It's finally happened. We're down here in Davenport, Florida, and we're going over to Chuck's place over by Orlando, and we're gonna deliver the toolbox to the guy and lucky guy, actually, and then we're gonna get this out of the way and go eat some dinner, I think. I'm really excited about this, and I can't wait to deliver it. Have a good one. Take it easy. So I guess you could call this the YouTube fog of war. We didn't really get to record much once I got there. Oh, we got some cord here, huh?
Yeah, we're all wrapped up.
To thank Mike G for the Mr. Toyo Digimatic, and also Matt Elkins for this nice plaque. Thank you, Matt.